144 acre of township, one of the biggest township in Thane West with one of the most top developer, Raymond Realty. Yes, you heard me right. We will be getting into the details of the project, but before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for latest notification of real estate project. Before getting into the details of the project, let's talk about location. अगर मैं location की बात करूँ, so this project is in the middle of Pokhran 1 and Pokhran 2. There will be two entry and exit for this township, one towards your Pokhran 1 and one towards your Pokhran 2, which is one of the prime location in Thane West. Also, your station is very nearby from the project. Your metro station is again walkable distance from the project. Not only this, अगर आपको mall वगैरह जाना है, your Lakeshore Mall is just walkable distance from the project. ऑल्सो सारे आपको बेसिक नेसेसिटी आपके रिटेल शॉप्स वगैरह भी अंदर ही मिल जाएंगे, राइट फ्रॉम मेडिकल फैसिलिटी टू एवरीथिंग आपको अंदर ही मिल जाते हैं. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग विच इज़ योर टॉप मोस्ट स्कूल, सुलोचना देवी सिंघानिया स्कूल एंड सुनीति देवी सिंघानिया स्कूल इज़ इन द विसिनिटी इटसेल्फ. सो हर पेरेंट्स का ड्रीम होता है टू कम टू पुट देयर चिल्ड्रन इन टॉप मोस्ट स्कूल. सो अगेन यहाँ पे आपको सुलोचना देवी एंड सुनीता देवी सिंघानिया स्कूल भी अंदर ही मिल जाते हैं. Not only this, if you are working it towards Mulund or towards Mumbai side, the highway is again very nearby from the project. You can directly connect towards Eastern Express Highway and you can connect towards Central. So आपको central location में अगर आपका working है or you travel via train, definitely you can plan in this location. This is one of the prime location of Thane. Not only this, your Jupiter Hospital is very nearby from the project, which is of 350 beds. So again आपको सारी facility right from the topmost school, topmost hospital, also mall, आपको सारी चीज़ें आपको आसपास ही मिल जाते हैं, just some minutes away from the project. So this is all about the location. Now we will be getting into the details of the project as well as sample flat. 144 acre of land parcel जिसमें multiple phases आ जाते हैं. Phase 1 is your 10x habitat spread across 14 acre with 10 towers, which is already sold out. Then comes your phase 2, which is the address by Gautam Singhania, where there is 3-4 BHK apartments as well as duplex. Again, that is sold out, but अगर आप वैसा कुछ luxury देख रहे हो तो you can definitely plan in phase 4. ऑल्सो अभी रिसेंटली टावर F लॉन्च हुआ है, उसमें भी आपको एक लग्जरी अपार्टमेंट्स मिल जाएंगे जिसमें 4 BHK के 1900 से स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं एंड 2600 तक आपको मिल जाएंगे. इवन इफ यू वांट टू लुक एट द सैंपल फ्लैट ऑफ अ 4 BHK, यू कैन कम डाउन एंड हैव अ लुक ऑफ 1950. देन देयर इज फेज 3 10x एरा जिसमें आपको 2 and 3 BHK अपार्टमेंट्स मिल जाएंगे, विच इज़ जस्ट नियर टू योर लेक शोर मॉल. So again आपको amazing views मिल जाते हैं. You will be getting a podium parking, amenities as well in your podium where there is swimming pool, gym area and everything. So यहाँ पे आपको 2 and 3 BHK nearing possession मिल जाते हैं. Then comes your phase 4 where there is a luxury apartments. अगर आप Invictus जैसा plan कर रहे हो where you only get 3 BHK, 4 BHK, duplexes apartment, your penthouses starting from 1900 carpet, 1500 or 3 BHK of 1000 carpet, then definitely that is a go place. यहाँ पे आपको spacious and bigger apartments मिल जाएंगे. Now comes your phase 5 which we will be getting into the details, which is your 10x district. ये आपका टोटल 9 एकड़ में स्प्रेड आउट है जिसमें 6 टावर्स आने वाले हैं, 42 स्टोरी का रहने वाला है. 2 basement and 4 level will be your podium parking, and then comes your amenities which will be in the podium. You have everything right from swimming pool, gym area, everything. And the best part is this is only 2 BHK apartments. So 600 से लेके 800 तक आपको carpet size मिल जाएंगे. If you are looking for जोड़ी options आपको वो भी मिल जाएंगे. We will be getting into the sample site apartment as well of 721 and 810 of 2 BHK. of 10X district. Also आपको सारे बेसिक नेसेसिटी भी अंदर ही मिल जाते हैं. All the retail shops are also available. Also अगर आप प्लान कर रहे हो retail shop in Raymond, definitely you can call us and take all the required detail. अगर आप कुछ भी ऐसा carpet size and you want to know about the pricing, you can call us and you can take all the details. Now we will be getting into the details of the sample flat. So now we are going to explore 2 BHK apartment 721 carpet. So as you enter, you can see there is a very beautiful foyer space which you can design as per you. So आपकी privacy maintained रहती है. Here you have a L-shaped living and dining space. This is your dining space which is again very spacious. आप design कर सकते हो अपने हिसाब से. You can come up with a bigger dining space as well. And towards my right side is your living space. Also इसके साथ भी आपको मिल जाता है attached balcony with where you can put your 2 chairs, you can enjoy the view, you can do the gardening, you can design as per you. So if you can see काफ़ी अच्छा view आपको मिलेगा depending upon your choice definitely. यहाँ पे आपको right side में ही kitchen मिल जाता है. So again आपके घर पे अगर कोई भी servant आ रहा है, they can directly work here and go. And आपकी privacy भी maintained रहती है because your bedrooms are towards that side. Both side platform आपको मिल जाएगा, sink area and half fixed and half movable French window. So यहाँ से आप view enjoy कर सकते हो, proper ventilation रहने वाला है. Now moving forward, towards my left side is your first common bedroom. Half fixed, half movable French window आ जाएगा and look at the space guys. अगर आप बेड लगाते हो still you have a proper space to walk. Even यहाँ पे भी आप कुछ डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो towards your TV unit. Also wardrobe space भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, मतलब it's a full length wardrobe space. So आराम से आप 2 wardrobe space बना सकते हो. Still you have a good space over here. Now moving forward towards my right side is your common washroom with all the branded fittings. आप जैसा देख रहे हो exactly same रहेगा except the interior parts. So Jaguar का fittings रहने वाला है washroom में. And then moving forward, this is your beautiful master bedroom. And now again the size is very beautiful. If you can see यहाँ पे भी आप छोटा सा cute सा study space बना सकते हो. You have a half fixed and half movable French window. You can sit here, you can enjoy the view as well as you have a good wardrobe space as well. So अगर आप wardrobe space भी देख रहे हो, this is a full length wardrobe space. So space में there is no compromisation if you're looking for a 721 carpet or 810. अगर आपको butterfly concept पसंद है, definitely you can plan for 810 carpet, which we will be going to explore right now the sample flat of 810 as well. Also इसके साथ आपको मिल जाता है attached washroom as well with all the branded fittings. So this is your master washroom. This is all about the sample flat. I hope you have got an idea about 2 BHK 721 carpet. Now we will be exploring 810 carpet as well. It is purely 2 BHK apartments. So in this tower you will be getting only 2 BHK apartments. So now we are going to explore 2 BHK sample flat apartment. The carpet size is 810. So हम जैसे ही enter करते हैं आपको काफ़ी beautiful सा living and dining space मिल जाता है. If you can see living space भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, आराम से आप 8 सीटर लगा सकते हो. It is a good space and the best part is आपको इसके साथ मिल जाता है attached balcony जहाँ पर आराम से 2 चेयर लगा सकते हो. You can enjoy the view, you can do a gardening. आप as per you design कर सकते हो जैसा आपको अच्छा लगता है. Now moving forward, towards my right side is your dining space. Now if you can see dining space भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, आराम से आप 4 सीटर या 5 सीटर लगा सकते हो depending upon your choice. So you have a very beautifully designed living and dining space. The best part of this layout is this is a butterfly concept. So towards my left side is your first bedroom. And again one of the best part of this layout is both the bedrooms are master bedrooms. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो बेड भी अगर आपने लगाया तो you get a very proper space to walk, as well as यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाता है French window, half fixed and half movable. So आप आराम से view enjoy कर सकते हो. You can stand here, you can मतलब choose your view depending upon your choice, amenities view or open facing. And then comes your master washroom. So if you can see, this is your master washroom. And then here you will be getting a service lab area, which is a kind of a dry space. You can put a washing machine over here or you can dry out your clothes. So moving forward towards my right side is your common washroom. So best part इस layout का ये है, आपको 2 BHK में 3 washrooms मिल जाते हैं. Yes, you heard me right. And अगर आपके घर पे अगर कोई भी गेस्ट आ रहा है तो आपकी प्राइवेसी भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं होती. They can easily use this washroom and your privacy is also maintained. Then towards my right side is your kitchen, which is very spacious with both side platform, a sink area, as well as a dry space where you can keep your washing machine, you can dry your clothes. So again यहाँ पे भी काफ़ी अच्छा space दिया है even for the dry space. If you can see अच्छा space है, you also have a utility space in your washroom area as well as in the kitchen area. So space में there is no compromisation. Of course this is Raymond. So definitely quality and space में आपको कोई compromisation नहीं मिलेगा. Towards my right side is your master washroom. Second master bedroom का master washroom with all the branded fittings exactly same रहेगा except the interior parts. Then comes your beautiful bedroom space. So if you can see bedroom space काफ़ी अच्छा है master bedroom का. Here you have a French window, half fixed and half movable. You can enjoy the view as per you. If अगर आप amenities view लेते हो या फिर आप towards city facing view लेते हो, you can decide as per you. Also even अगर आप wardrobe space भी लगाते हो, still you have a very good space. मतलब आप पूरा फुल लेंथ वार्डरोब स्पेस लगा सकते हो यहाँ पे. स्टिल आपको एक अच्छा स्पेस मिल जाता है यहाँ पे भी. काइंड ऑफ छोटा सा क्यूट सा स्टडी स्पेस भी बना सकते हो. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट 810 कारपेट. बट इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर जोड़ी ऑप्शंस or a bigger apartment, you can definitely call us on the given number. अगर आपको कुछ भी डाउट है, if you want to download pricing, brochure or layout, you can download from the given link. So this was all about the project. I hope you have got the detailed information about the project where I have already discussed about 2 BHK as well as luxury apartment. Also अगर आप retail shop भी plan कर रहे हो तो आप हमें call करके सारी details ले सकते हो. If you want to download any pricing, brochure or layout, you can download from the description link. आप सारे information ले सकते हो. You can also book your site visit. As I always say in all the videos, अगर आप कभी भी website में inquiry करते हो, you get multiple calls and you get irritated. So you can directly call the sales representative and you can take the best offer. This is Diksha signing off.